What's up, YouTube? Jens269. Got home from work today and saw a package in front of the door. Didn't know who it was. I saw it was from Chris at the Hobby Box. I didn't order anything from the Hobby Box, but I opened the package and there was a note. It says, "Good luck pulling a Brandon Bell auto." It's from Daniel SungRok. That's his YouTube screen name. I don't even know what to say, Daniel. Thanks. I had no idea this was coming. It's total surprise. Daniel and I, we met a few months ago, and we've just been sending each other little care packages here and there, helping each other out with our PCs. And the last package I sent him was a bunch of bays, some number stuff, some refractors, and an auto. And all of a sudden, he goes and buys a box for me. So, Daniel, thank you so much. I'm definitely gonna hit you back. I'm gonna think hard and long when I want to get you, but let's see if we bring some good mojo out of this box. So here we go. This is box 10, by the way, from Chris at the Hobby Box. I've never ordered anything from him, so but I always see him pulling good stuff. So we'll see. We'll see if this brings any mojo. Pack number 1. And Daniel, if I pull any Phillies out of this box, it's automatically going to you. Jason Bay, Robinson Cano, Chris Pettit. Okay. Refractor. Chris Pettit. Matt Latos. We have a Matt Kemp black refractor. Has some scuffing, but it's okay. Number to 62. Very nice. Matt Kemp. Off to a good start. Matt Kemp black refractor. Cliff Lee goes to the side. Jake McGee, Roy Oswalt. Jimmy, oh my gosh, this is a Phillies box. Buster Posey, it's nice, that's for the PC. Derek Jeter, and Rafael Furcal, and Tsuyoshi Nishioka. Tommy Hunter, we have a blue refractor here, Matt Young. Let's see who the blue refractor is. It's not autoed. It's Anuri Rodriguez. There we go, blue refractor. Wow, horrible centering on a blue refractor, horrible. What? Giovanni Gallardo, Darwin Barney, rookie. Cool. Matt Joyce, Freddie Freeman, rookie. Two autos in this box, so let's see. Josh Beckett, Dan Ugla. Oh, David Price, Sepia refractor. Very nice. It's numbered to 99. I think David Price might have blown the game today. I didn't check the scores yet though. Atomic refractor, Carlos Santana, Mike Stanton, and the atomic is Jason Bay. So a lot of color. Let's run a sepia, a black, and an atomic. Ryan Braun and Austin Jackson. Hanley Ramirez, Joey Votto, Michael Pineda, rookie, and a Dominic Brown. There you go. Dominic Brown for Daniel. Brian McCann, it's a refractor. Giants. Jonathan Sanchez. Boo. Don't like Jonathan Sanchez. No autos yet. Carl Crawford, Jay Bruce, Ichiro. Jake Peavy, and then we have Hot Corner Guardians, Martechera and Alex Rodriguez. Number out of 1962. Top's Heritage Chrome. It's interesting. Alfonso Soriano, Felix Hernandez, Alex Rodriguez, Jeremy Hellickson. You want to open one? No? Okay. Keith Bell. And a Brandon Bell. Pulled a Brandon Bell insert. Chrome. Nice. Chapman, Andrew Kashner. Still looking for my 2 autos. Not a lot of packs left. Some Giant. Another Buster Posey. But this is the refractor version. Jerry Sands. That's cool. 2 Busters in this box. And the Brandon Bell. Todd Helton, Ike Davis, Heritage. Oh, nice. This is a Giants box. A Lincecum Heritage Chrome out of 1962. Very cool. Drew McCutcheon, and this is Vernon Wells, Dustin Pedroia. Got like 4, 5, 6 more packs left. So all the autos are at the bottom of the box. Matt Holiday, it's the Heritage. 5 more packs left. One of them, 2 of them should have autos, hopefully. Pablo Sandoval, Clayton, True Story. Alright, guess the autos are in the bottom stack in this box. Another Lincecum on the top, it's good. Jose Bautista, Heritage, out of 1962. Brandon Beachy. Okay. So one of these 3 packs left, 2 autos still. Here's my first auto, and it will be a base auto of Darwin Barney. Very nice. Darwin Barney base auto. From the Cubs. It's very cool. Okay. Phil Hughes, Mario Rivera, Tyler Colvin, John Buck. Alright, last pack. Should have the auto. Unless top screwed up again. Yes, it is the auto. And it is base auto of Seattle Mariners. Carlos Pigoro? Okay. Hard to pronounce his name. Well, there it is, guys. That's the box. Recap of the hits: 2 autos, Carlos Pigura and a Darwin Barney. And got a blue refractor here, a black refractor of Matt Camp, 2 posies, 2 variations, a Lincecum, Brennan Belt. Very nice. There's a lot of Giants in here. Oh, and a sepia of David Price. So overall, good box. Thank you again, Daniel. I don't know what to say. This is a total surprise. Good to come home to a box of cards after a long days of work. But thank you again, and look for me to get you back sometime very soon. All right, Giants 269. I'm out.